is Meadow. I am Senior Director of Partnerships here at Vote.org. And Vote.org is a US-based organization that uses technology to simplify political engagement and increase voter turnout. It's a real honor to talk about the bilingual chatbot that we built in 2020 in partnership with WhatsApp and Turn to help reach English and Spanish speaking voters here in the United States. And I'm excited to be coming to you today from the United States, where we have our midterm elections going on. So voters across the country, millions of them are casting their ballots in state, local, and federal races across the country. So it's an exciting time for us and a little bit nerve-wracking time here at Vote.org and in the United States. How do we simplify political engagement and increase turnout? Well, one thing that we believe here at Vote.org is that most people want to participate in democracy. They just lack the tools, the trust, the information, or the time to do so. And so we cut through all that noise by presenting voters with simple information on where, when, and how to vote. We provide digital tools to register to vote, to request your absentee ballot, to verify your registration status, to find out where your polling place is. And we do that all on mobile or desktop, right in the palm of your hands, because we believe it's important to meet voters where they are with this information, to cut out a lot of the paperwork and the nonsense that different states present as barriers to voting. And so in 2020, we identified that the fastest growing and largest minority group of voters in the US is now Latino voters, but they were facing a lot of mis and disinformation and a lot of voter suppression tactics flying around in the United States around the group of Spanish speakers and Latino voters. And so we worked with WhatsApp and Turn to provide a bilingual chatbot for these voters to get trusted, nonpartisan, accurate information about the elections in English or Spanish, whichever language they chose. And the reason we did this is because we know that 50% of the Latino population in the US is already on WhatsApp. And so this is a great example of meeting people where they are with a tool they know how to use and trusted information from a nonpartisan group like Vote.org. So as I mentioned, we identified that problem. And then we identified a solution where we built this chatbot to answer common voter questions. Now, one thing to note here is we have 50 different states with 50 different election laws here in the United States. So the rules and deadlines in California are different from those in New York, which are different from those in Florida. But we maintain the database on our end, and we keep all that information fresh and reliable so that the voter just enters their address or zip code, and then which state they're in, the chatbot will then spit back out the correct information for that voter. And then as you can see, we reached millions of voters in 2020 through Vote.org. Specifically, the chatbot stats are here in this bottom bullet. So it's just a small chunk of the voters we reach, but an important group. 31,000 unique users received almost 150,000 messages. And we're hoping that those numbers are going up as we speak here in 2022. But I just want to emphasize that's an important number. Like the election in Georgia in 2020 was decided by just 11,000 votes. So thousands of voters getting information they need is incredibly helpful here. I'm going to show you a quick video of just sort of how the chatbot works. And so when voters text hello or hola or vote to this chatbot number, as you can see, it will reply and provide you with English language options for what type of info you're looking for. And then here we typed in one of the options. We got some responses about how to register to vote. And then the same process can occur in Spanish should you select the Spanish language option. To access the chatbot, you just need to scan this QR code here or type hello or hola to +1 628 500 8683. We're really proud of this work that we did in partnership with WhatsApp and Turn. We're constantly improving upon it. I hope to be able to report back on some numbers from 2022. As I said, the elections are going on right now, so I can't tell you how we did, but our hope is for good voter turnout.